Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NCERT Maths with Bardeep. Today we are continuing our chapter number 7, that is coordinate geometry of grade 10. So today's topic is area of a triangle. That means three vertices are given to us and we should find the area of the triangle formed by these vertices. So let these A, B and C, that is x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are the vertices given to you. So how to find the area of a triangle? So this will be something like this. So this seems to be very complicated, but I will explain. This is very easy to memorize. So half of x1 times y2 minus y3 plus x2 times y3 minus y1 plus x3 times y1 minus y2. I will give you one trick. Coordinates will always be in the ratio 1 to 3. Okay, so order is always like this: 1, 2, 3, then 2, 3, 1, and then 3, 1, 2. Okay, I repeat: 1, 2, 3, then 2, 3, 1, and then 3, 1, 2. So in this order, you should always take your vertices. So for 1, this is x1. Then the second 2 is the difference of y coordinates. So y2 minus y3. Now we will shift to this, that is x2 here. And then 3 and 1 will be the difference of y coordinates. Is it easy now? So again we will focus on 3. Okay. So difference of y coordinates of these vertices, that is 1 and 2. So now this is up to you. You want to memorize this formula, you want to use this, or there is one more trick that I prefer actually. So what I will do is I will always write vertices like this. Okay, so this is half of, I'll use this, that is x1 multiplied by something, then x2 multiplied by something, and x3 multiplied by something. Okay, so first x1, x2 and then x3. So now when I use x1, I'll keep my hand here and the next two y coordinates I will subtract. So this is y2 minus y3. So that I am going to write here. Okay. So next is x2. So I'll keep my hand here. So after 2 it should be 3. So what is y coordinate on this side? This is y3 minus this thing, that is 1. So again order is like 2, 3 and then 1. Correct? So for x3, this thing, third one, so I'll keep my hand here. So after 3, order should be 1, 2. So I'll subtract y1 and y2. So here y1 minus y2. So you can compare, formula is same. So this is up to you which formula you want to memorize. If you can memorize, go with this. Otherwise, always keep in your mind that order should be 1, 2, 3, then 2, 3, 1 and then 3, 1, 2. Or in my style, you can use this. Okay, x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Keep your hand on the x coordinate that we are using and then subtract the y coordinates of remaining 2 points in this ratio as I have already mentioned. Okay, so this is how we will find the area of a triangle using the vertices A, B and C. There is one more point, that if after calculating area is 0, that means those points are not forming any triangle. So when is it possible that 3 points are not forming any triangle? Only when the points are collinear. So this property of area of triangle we can use to check whether the points are collinear or not. Sometimes question will come to you that check whether the given points are collinear. So you can use your two methods. First one is using distance formula, that is quite lengthy, that find the line segments AB, BC, CA and then see whether the sum of two line segments is equal to the third one, then the points are collinear. In a shortcut, we can simply find the area of the triangle using 3 vertices. If the area is 0, the points are collinear. So if it is not mentioned which topic you should use, means if it is not given in the question that use distance formula or use area formula, always use this area of a triangle to prove the points are collinear or not. So now let's see what are the different types of questions that will come in your examination on this topic. So let's take an example. How to find area of a triangle when vertices are given to you. So we will write let A as 1 minus 1, B minus 4, 6 and C as minus 3, minus 5 are given vertices of a triangle. So you can make one triangle also if you want. So this is 1 minus 1, this is minus 4, 6, so minus 3 and minus 5. Okay, so now you are free to use any method. I will use my method, that is area of triangle ABC. So what I will do is, I will write like this. Okay, so here A, B and C. So A is 1 minus 1, this is minus 4, 6, minus 3 and minus 5. Okay, so now half of first x1, x2, x3. Okay, so this is 1 and product of something plus B is minus 2, means this is x1, x2, x3. So something here. Then C is minus 3 and something here. So now what is something? For 1 I will keep like this, and then difference of these two, 1, 2, 3. So this is 6 minus 5. Okay, for this minus 4 I will keep like this, then minus 5 minus of minus 1. So this is minus 5 minus of this value, that is minus 1. Correct? Now this is minus 3 here. Keep your hand here and then subtract these two y coordinates. So this is minus 1 minus 6. Clear? I repeat, I have put my hand here, then difference of these two y coordinates I have written here. For second thing, difference of these two coordinates, okay, and for C, difference of these two coordinates. So order should be always 1, 2, 3, then 2, 3, 1 and then 3, 1, 2. So now let's solve this. This is half of 1 times minus and minus is 6 plus 5 here, plus minus 4, minus 5 minus minus is plus. So minus 5 plus 1, again plus minus 3, minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. Okay, so now half of 6 plus 5 is 11, minus 4 times minus 5 plus 4 is minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4, and now 3 into 7 is 21 with plus sign because both terms are negative. So next step should be 11. 4 into 4 is 16 plus 21. Okay, so now what is this value? Half into 11 and 21 is 32. 32 plus 6, 38, 48. So 48 by 2 means 24 square units. Okay, so now I hope you can find the area of a triangle whose vertices are given to you. So let's see another application of this formula. Let's see another application. Find the value of k if the points, these points are collinear. As I have already mentioned, whenever we need to check whether the points are collinear or not, we should find the area of the triangle and equate that value to 0, because area of the triangle formed by collinear points is always 0. So we will find the area, equate it to 0 and then find the value of k. So let's write, since points are collinear, therefore area of triangle ABC should be equal to 0. So let's find the area, that is half of. So you are free to use any method. If you can memorize the formula, directly use that, but I prefer using this. Okay, so this should be equal to 0. So let's put the vertices. A is 2, 3, B is 4K, and then C is 6 minus 3. Okay, so half of, now I'll use this x1 and find the difference, then this x2, find some other difference, and then 6 times another difference and equate this to 0. Correct? So now, so for this point I will find the difference between k and minus 3. So this is k minus of minus 3. Okay, for this point, difference of minus 3 and 3. So this is minus 3 minus 3. Okay, for this point, difference of 3 and k. Okay, so now let's solve this. So half times 2 of minus is plus. So this is k plus 3. Now 4 times minus 3 is minus 6. And 6 times 3 minus k equals to 0. So now after this step, see this 1 by 2 is multiplied with this term. So just shift this to other side. So 0 multiplied by anything will be 0. So even if you shift this to other side, it will be simply 0. So you can ignore this. Okay. So this is 2 times k plus 3 plus 4 times minus 6 plus 6 times 3 minus k is equals to 0 multiplied by this 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1. So this is 0 again. Okay. So now let's open this. This is 2 into k as 2k, 2 into 3 as 6, 4 into minus 6 is minus 24, 6 into 3 is 18, 6 into k minus 6k as 0. Okay. So now let's combine like terms. 2k minus 6k. So 2k minus 6k will be minus 4k. So plus 6 plus 18, 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. So minus 4k plus 0 is equal to 0. So minus 4k is equal to 0. And then what is k? 0 by minus 4. So k is 0 in our case. So what is the value of k? K will be 0 for these points to be collinear. So let's see another application of this area of triangle. So another application is, if these are the vertices of a quadrilateral, find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. That means 4 coordinates are given to us and we should find its area. That means coordinates of a quadrilateral are given and we should find its area. We know that if we join any diagonal, this quadrilateral can be split into 2 different triangles. So we should find the area of individual triangles using area of a triangle and then add them to find the area of given quadrilateral. So let's join BD. So area of first triangle, let's take ABD. ABD. Okay. Half times. So ABD. A is minus 5, 7. B is minus 4, 5. And D is 4, 5. Okay. So this is 1 by 2 times. Again, minus 5 times some difference. Minus 4 times another difference. And 4 times third difference. Okay. So let's write the difference. For minus 5, this is minus 5. Minus 5. For this thing, this is difference of 5 and 7. For D point, difference of 7 and minus 5. Okay, so let's solve this. Minus 5 into minus 5 is minus 10. Now this is minus 4. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Plus 4 times 7 plus 5 is 12. So this is half of 5 into 10, 50. 4 into 2, 8, and then 48. Okay, so this is half of 58 plus 48. So 8 plus 8 is 16. 5 plus 4, 9, 1, 10. So this is 53 square units. Okay. Similarly, we will find area of triangle BCD. This is half of BCD. So B is minus 4 minus 5, C is minus 1 minus 6, and D is 4, 5. So now half of x1 is minus 4, difference of y coordinates, x2 is minus 1, difference of y coordinates, and this is 4 times difference of y coordinates. So let's find. So here it is difference of minus 6 and 5. So this is minus 6 minus 5. Here difference is 5 and minus 5. Okay, for this point difference of minus 5 and minus 6. Minus of minus 6. Okay, so now this is half of minus 4 times minus 6 minus 5, minus 11. This is minus 1, 5 minus minus plus. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And again 4 times minus 5 plus 6 is 1. Okay, so let's solve this further. So this is area equals to 1 by 2 of minus 4 into 11 is 44 with plus sign because both are negative terms. So minus 1 into 10, this is minus 10, and now plus 4. 44 plus 4 is 48. 48 minus 10 is 38. So this is half of 38. If you cancel, this will be 19 square units. So what is the area of BCD triangle? This is 19 square units. So how to find area of quadrilateral? So you will write therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Okay, so ABD is how much? 53 units. So this is 53 and BCD is 90. So 3 plus 9 is 2. So 72 square units. Okay. So now I hope you can find the area of quadrilateral when all the vertices are given to you. So in this video, I hope area of a triangle and its applications are clear to you. If you like my teaching, please subscribe to my channel. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with the exercise related to this chapter. Thank you.